Countryside here again, people. I want to start get serious about the things where I want to touch upon, which is how little Jamaicans own in Jamaica. And one of the things one of the companies I want to target today is Carib Cement, who used to be owned by Jamaican government, but now is owned by Trinidad Cement Limited, which is the majority shareholder. And who own Trinidad Cement Limited? A company called CMAX, which is a Mexican cement company. So again, when we dig deep, we realize that we don't own nothing in our country. Look how cement price gone up. In 2008, you could have get a bag of cement for a $300 bag. Right now, you go certain place to get cement. Maybe the cheapest you find it right now are $14.9, $1500, $1700. Them are the price for the bag of cement. And most of that money is going to a Mexican company. Again, I am not against no foreign people that come our island, invest in our island. But we need to invest in our island too. We can't do it. How come we don't have a next company down here? Right now we need a next cement company. For give competition to that cement company who's ultimately owned by foreigners, Mexicans. You know, so the CMC Max didn't want to go on Nigeria to control for their market, because them did have a plan to control all the cement market in the Caribbean, and they are doing that right now. And they didn't want to do the same thing in Africa and start with Nigeria. And I want a company in Nigeria called Dangote Cement who stopped them. And we just walk around like we're blind and dumb and go on like we're smart everywhere else. We're stupid. As a people, we're dumber than dumb. It make me vex, brethren. When I look upon it and look deep in it, we are the most stupidest people sometimes, brethren. We need to come together. We need to come together and make some solid investment in our full own our country and own some of the things where these foreigners are coming and buying up and owning. And it is possible. Right now, if we decide, say, we want to own a cement company, we don't link up with the Nigerian one we call Dangote Cement and work out a partnership with them for we to own it and work alongside with them. Me don't want to sound like me a racist, but me's a patriot. Me love my people them. I want to see with people them own things. Foreigners are coming and I put price on things where enough of we and most of we cannot afford. How much more cement I go up in Jamaica? This is one of the key components of building a house here. And every year it go up. When it go stop? And we not make our country richer, I do that. We make another man country, I do it. We make other man country richer, I do it. Yo, we need to get vexed and get serious, man. We need to get vexed and get serious. And this come from my heart, brethren. To come from my heart, we need to get vexed and get serious about controlling the economy in our country. Look at cement. We want a government sell it out to these foreign investors. I'm going to show you some names too. I'm going to show you some names so you can see some online. You can go Google it yourself. I'm going to show you some names. You understand me, I say? But we have to get to that later on, man. When we get serious, man, it's time to get serious and take back our country. Or at least be in competition with these people out here. Sure. And to add insult to injury, guess who are the head of Carib Cement? A man named called Jorge Martinez. We as Jamaican or English people that say George or whatever, Martinez, which is a Mexican man. You understand? And see me? Yeah, man. And the next thing too, if you look upon it closely, brethren, and look upon the people them were involved in the ownership of this Jamaican cement company that used to be owned by the Jamaican government. It's a shame, brethren. If you look down the line, the whole of them have stakes in all of the Caribbean major cement manufacturers. So you have, and not just Jamaica face it, but me just focus on Jamaica in terms of we not really owning anything of major significance, and that needs to change and now. Because if we not change that, brethren, we are sorry. Who control the economy controls the country, and we're not controlling the economy. We're government to sell out everything.